Yo, my people, this is your guest here again. What I say, my Benya fine girl, be I wanna ask one or two questions. What's your name?
My name is Abna Sarah.
Abna Sarah.
Yes, yes.
Hey. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so why are you here?
I'm here because of entertainment yard.
Yeah.
Yes, of course, and I'm here to entertain myself, have fun, meet new friends, meet my old friends, just chill around.
Wow. I hear say you be joker.
Oh, yeah, why not? I'm full.
Really? So can you give me some their artists? Charlie, why are you here?
Oh, I'm here because last year I came here. The show was so fantastic. So this year too, I'm here to enjoy it. You get a point.
Yeah, I get a point, Charlie. I wish you good luck and mercy performance tonight.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah.
Gas.
Oh, Charlie, away. Let's go here. What's your name?
Matilda.
Oh, louder.
Matilda.
Matilda. Oh, okay, why are you here?
To have fun.
To have fun.
Yeah.
Okay. What about you?
Joycelyn.
What?
Joycelyn.
Joycelyn. Oh, okay. So you two, why are you here?
I'm also here to have fun.
To have fun. Oh, okay. What about you?
Immaculate. Immaculate.
Immaculate. Is that your real name? Me, I can't mention it too. Immaculate. Me, I will say calculator. Okay, you two, why are you here?
To have fun and explore.
Oh, okay. This my baddest I Pablo. Yeah, I Pablo official. Yeah, our baddest MC. Yeah, the man with big shoe. The man with big shoe. What you say, guy?